Can you please identify these two maple seedlings for me? They both have reddish stalks, but one has a more pointed leaf tip and the other more blunt, and the lobes seem slightly different. Also, the one on the left has reddish new leaves. Are these red maples or something else? Thanks in advance, Anita in Florida. So can we help Miss Anita out?
She's correct.
She's right.
Those are red maples, but you know, that's the nature of red maples. They're variable. The wild species are variable. Yeah. And who knows, there might be a cross, you know, some name variety somewhere, and it's cross-pollinated with a native one, and then they've got these seedlings. You just never know.
Right. But she's actually...
They're both of them are red maples. Yeah.
Red maples. And enjoy them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful colors. You know,
they
those red maples for sure. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.